Today we'll be making Punjabi Chole Masala in pressure cooker, which is an easy method and saves a lot of time. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and follow the yummy recipe. For this recipe we need 1 cup of Punjabi Chana or white chana soaked overnight. So after soaking, the chana will look like this. Then you can take a pressure cooker, add your chole to the cooker, add 1 cup of water and add some salt. Now add a tea bag. It gives your chole nice dark color. Now add the cinnamon stick and add a cardamom, add 1 bay leaf and 2 Kashmiri red chili and cook it for 6 to 7 whistles. Next, to make a gravy we need 2 onion and 2 tomatoes. Chop them finely and take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add half teaspoon of fennel and cumin seed, then add 2 Kashmiri red chili and saute them well in ghee. Add your finely chopped onion, saute them nicely till the raw smell goes and light brown color appears. Now onion has turned light brown in color. Let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, which gives a nice color to the gravy. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. And now saute the masalas with the onion in low flame. Once you start getting a roasted smell from your masalas, this is the perfect time to add your tomatoes. Now to our gravy we need to add ginger and garlic. Crush them nicely. Don't make a paste out of it. It should be coarse. Now add the ginger garlic to onion and tomato gravy. And mix it well. Mix it. Keep cooking till the raw smell of onion and ginger goes. Try to cook them as less water as possible. That gives a nice flavor to your masala. Now your masala is almost ready. Add little water from your chole. Remove the red chilies, tea bag, bay leaf and cinnamon. Now your chole is perfectly cooked. And your masala is also almost ready. Now add your chana to your masala and cook it well for next 10 to 15 minutes. If you want some more water, you can add water to your gravy at this stage. Boil it well for next 10 to 15 minutes so that the masala is very well coated with your chana. White chana or Kabuli chana or chickpeas is a very good source of dietary fiber, which is very helpful in weight loss, as well as it is high in protein, so it's a very good protein option for vegetarians. Taste the gravy and add the required amount of salt. When you feel the gravy is thick enough, add some garam masala and some kasturi methi. Crush the kasturi methi well in your palms and then add it to your gravy. And give a nice stir. And let it boil for another 5 minutes. And when you feel the gravy is ready, just off the gas and mash some of the chickpeas, which will give you a nice creamy consistency for your gravy. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of pomegranate, mash it roughly. And then add these pomegranate to your gravy. Pomegranate seeds added to your gravy gives a nice flavorful curry. This is specialty of the Punjabi food. Stir it well. You don't have to on the flame again. It will get cooked in the heat of the gravy. So now your Punjabi chole is ready. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Add some ginger julienne. Add some onion. And decorate it with fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy the hot chole and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.